Fried fish recipe. Hello friends, today we are going to make fried fish. Extract half a cup lemon juice from fresh lemons. Add the following ingredients: ginger, garlic pastor, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, salt to taste. Add the masalas and lemon and mix well. Now marinate the fish for about 10 minutes by covering it in masalas. Cover it well from inner side too. Now let's make the batter for frying. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons of besan powder. Add salt and chili powder to taste. Make paste with help of water. Don't make the batter too dilute. Now cover the fish with batter. Flip and cover the fish from both sides. Preheat oil in a deep pan. After the oil is heated, flip in the fish for frying. Cover the pan with lid. Flip to other side and fry. Serve it with white rice, salad and dal. We enjoyed a lot. Try our recipe and share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share amongst friends.